welcome to SDN Tech Forum. This is SD Access Bootcamp Network Design Part 2. I decided to do this video separately, a short video, because this is the very important topic and sometimes it can be confusing. So in this video, we are going to define AAA for our network devices, at the same time for endpoints, clients and endpoints. So AAA is authentication, authorization and accounting. So let's go ahead and create a user in ISE, and we are going to create a network access user by going to administration, identities. Under identity management, go to identities and create a network access user. This is the user DNA Center will use to log into the network devices. DNAC, this is going to be an internal user. You don't have to create an internal user all the time. You can also create a AD base user, but for lab simplicity, we are going to create a DNAC as a user. Define your login password, enable password, because this is a Cisco devices. Just hit submit. Okay, so we have our user network access user DNAC created. Now let's go and define AAA server on Cisco DNA Center. So you have to go to design, network settings, and the first tab, network. Here you can see some shared services are already defined like DHCP and DNS. And if you click on add server, you can add another server, other servers like NTP, StealthWatch, Flow Collector, image distribution. But we are interested in adding AAA. When you add AAA server, there are two things you have to select: network and client. So network is for logging into the network devices, and client and endpoint when the client comes and try to authenticate. So for network, you have two options, server and protocol. So first you have to define what is your server. Is it like external AAA server, or you are going to use the ISE which we integrated as a network server? So we are going to use that ISE, and then select protocol. Our protocol is radius, and IP address should be the NIC address where actual traffic is coming. So it has to be an enterprise subnet. And now let's add a client slash endpoint AAA server. We are going to do the same thing for that. We are going to use this ISE, which we integrated earlier in the video, as our server. Protocol will be radius. Here you can see client endpoint is your PAN, and IP addresses, you have all the drop downs. So if you have multiple PSNs, you can select your PSNs there. And radius, since we are using radius, we already defined the share secret while integrating DNAC and ISE. So that is there. Let's not change that. Now you can see settings saved successfully. Once you create your AAA server for network and client endpoint, nothing happened immediately, but these changes will come into effect when you start discovering or onboarding your devices. So now we have completed network design completely. We have created hierarchy, defined all other things. We will go ahead and start discovering onboarding network devices now. So thank you for watching, and please do like, subscribe, share, spread a word, invite your friend so that we can enjoy this SD access journey together. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.